Hello and welcome to Balangir Public School YouTube channel. This video is for class 7. Today we will read grammar, English grammar. So come to page number 13. Today in this video we will discuss from the page number 13 of your grammar book, that is grammar magic. So collective nouns, as I have already discussed in the previous class, that collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Okay, example like crowd, army, bench, board, crew, gang, etc. So let's learn the use of collective nouns. First, an army of soldiers, a bench of judges, a board of examiners, directors, a crew of soldiers, a gang of burglars, dacoit, a band of thieves, a team of players, a troupe of artists, dancers, acrobats, a brood of chickens, a flight of birds, a flock of sheep, birds, a gaggle of geese, a herd of cattle, a pride of lion, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, a school of fish. Okay. Now the following are used for things. Look at your books. An album of photographs, a bunch of graphs, a chain of events, a clump of trees, a clutch of eggs, a bundle of sticks, a constellation of stars, a galaxy of stars, a set of tools, a stack of wood, a fleet of ships, a library of books, etc. Now come to G. Match the following. A number of people at a religious meeting. It is congregation. Number C. Number 2. A number of people listening to a lecture or a concert. It is audience. That is number D. Question number 3. A number of people watching a match. It is spectators. That is A. Number 4. A number of people collected without any specific purpose. Crowd. Number 5. A number of people gathered for some common purpose. Assembly. A number of people collected for some destructive purpose. Mob. A number of savage people. That is horde. Then come to number H. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Okay. In the dark night, only a constellation of stars is visible. Here the collective noun is constellation. Number 2. She was carrying a bags of eggs to the market. A clutch of eggs to the market. Number 3. As we drove up, we passed by a decks of geese swimming happily in the summer morning. A gaggle of geese swimming happily in the summer morning. Question number 4. He hid himself in a stacks of hay to avoid being caught by the police. He hid himself in a stack of hay. Number 5. For the cultural program, we have invited a deck of tribal dancers. A troop of tribal dancers. Sangeet is so fond of dogs that she adopted the decks of puppies she found on the street. The litter of puppies. The decks of chicks always follow the mother hen. The brood of chicks. BROOD. Okay. Number 8. Since she likes flowers, we should present her a bucket of flowers on her birthday. Whenever I have time, I love to look at the album of photographs. The last one, that is question number 10. You have a desk full of books. What more do you want in life? You have a library full of books. What more do you want in life? Then come to question number, that is L. Solve the crossword with the nouns that usually go with these collective nouns. Do it yourself. Okay. Do comments below. If you are unable to do, I will help you. So comment fast.